Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at why unknown senders is missing from messages notifications on the iPhone running iOS 15. So if this section is not available in your messages, customized notifications, then this is what you have to do to bring it back. So first, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And then you go into settings, so tap on settings. In settings, go down and tap on messages, then go down and tap on filter unknown senders. Make sure this is switch on. If it is switch off, like it is now, if it is switch off, and if you go to notifications, and if you go down to messages, then you will see that in customized notifications, that section is not available. So I'm going to go back into messages and I'm going to go down and turn on filter unknown senders. And if I go back to notifications and go down to messages and then tap on customize notifications, you can see now unknown senders is available and I can turn it on or off. And that's it. So that's how you can bring it on or turn it on if it is missing in the customized notifications section. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.